Alright guys, so I'll show you how to do these GitHub things. So first, of course, you need to register on your GitHub, and there's a PDF on the Google Classroom. So you need to download it there. And then after you have registered, it can be any emails, but the important things is you need to get that pro badge. So just on the setting, go to setting, and then you go to email and add this email address, add your live emails, then the rest will be the process. So okay, let's skip to this part. Okay, how to add your repositories. Go to your profile, repo, new. So just any names for your project, like for example, and so it can be either public or private. Then create repo. After that, uh, of course, you need to install it first, your GitHub, then set up in this desktop. Okay, so right now, you need to make a file. So like, for example, I'll do this. Okay, I create a file. Okay, so inside this, there will be a file for the repo that you create. Okay, so okay, then you need to put, okay, let's go for example lah, dev. Okay, bonus, how to uh, do shortcut like this one kan. How to do this? Just need to go to edit options, tools, add, then just put this one, and this one is already in my PC. I've already added, so just follow this one, add, and okay. But I already added. Then right. So any codes you write, save. So the place you should save is on the GitHub that you create. Oh, not this one. Okay, this folder. And testing. Selective. When you go to this GitHub, it will show the code that you have added just now. So this one is the code you added. The green one means that it's still new, still fresh. The code is still fresh. But then this GitHub works like a cloud where you need to save your code or work as your backup. So then this one is just for like an update about your progress. Like today I made this made 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 file like that. Description can be any. Then you commit is like save, but then you need to push or publish to your branch where your branch is in this website that you can see. Okay, this one I got game, but I haven't pushed my my code to the branch. This is your branch. Then once you push, it will be saved on your GitHub on your website. Look, see, that is what GitHub is used for. Okay, that's all.